James Melendez, James the Tech Guy. This is a tutorial on using Canva's frames and grids. Stay tuned. Please give a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for joining. A very brief tutorial on using Canva's frames and grids, a very powerful tool for making your images look crisp, clean, and professional. Let's get started. What I typically do is go to create a design. So we're just going to start here as if I'm creating a brand new item that I could actually transport and use in, say, PowerPoint or even use in a video. So in each of the softwares may have something similar, but I think Canvas are quite crisp and do such a good job. And I end up exporting from here to other softwares. Now let's go to, say, customize size. I'm going to use 2048 by 1152 pixels. We have the size of what I want on my canvas. I'm going to go to elements. Elements you're going to see recently used. So I've already used these. So I'm going to show you while they're recently used here. I'm going to scroll down just so you can see where these live. So they're going to live right here. Frames, you can see all, and grids, see all. Let's start off with the frames. I think this is a nice way of, say, highlighting a picture perhaps of yourself or maybe a teammate, and you really want to have a really nice crisp image. You'll see this in PowerPoint. So you're going to see the very familiar sky with the green hills. Let's select the round one. And so let's go ahead and select a photo. I'm going to use this photo here for the round frame. And here we go. I'm going to actually just make it a little larger and make that just a little bit larger, at least for this particular exercise. You can make it as small or as large as you want. And so you're going to double click here. And what I like to use instead, I can crop this myself, but what I really want to do is use a smart crop. And you're going to see what it does here. It actually orients it in terms of, say, the optimum viewing of this. So let's hit done. And I think that looks really good compared to if I didn't make that adjustment. And so we can use another frame here, and let's just use this one here since I've already selected this before. So there's a computer image here. I'm going to select a slightly different image. So Smart Crop will do such a good job of optimizing that experience for that frame. Fantastic. And now let's go on to the grids. Now look at the grids here. The purpose of the grids are to take images and optimize them in terms of placement. And so you might use this in a video, or you could use this in a PowerPoint or other places and have such a compelling, beautiful photograph. It'll do the work of optimizing that particular photo. And let's pick a grid. Let's select this 3 image here. Now if you select different images, it's going to try to optimize it for the best placement possible. And so you can actually explore these other grids to see how they might do. We're just going to try a couple of examples here. And I'm going to select, say, this particular logo here. I'll take this image and place it here. And I select a third image right here. Now let's do a second grid. And we'll pick something that's going to be maybe this shape here. Now you can explore and see which frame works best for you. If I were to do this on my own, I may not necessarily come up with this particular placement, but because I'm using these grids, this is helpful. Maybe I'm just trying to convey a particular brand that I'm reviewing, and I just want some imagery to highlight that. So this is a nice way, say, creating a thumbnail. So I think this is a very powerful tool. While again, it does exist in other softwares, this is one where I think it's fantastically well done. So I will export this to any particular software or video that I'm working on. And I think this is a really nice tool in Canva. Please give a like and subscribe to this channel. So more features to come on James Melendez, James the Tech Guy. Thank you again for watching.